Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons different flavors. Sift almond flour and powdered sugar together, then age and whip egg whites to stiff peaks before folding. Fold batter gently until it flows like lava without losing air, then pipe rounds and tap trays to release bubbles. Bake at moderate temperature, cool completely, and match fillings to shell flavor for balance. I'll guide you through simple adaptations to create multiple flavor profiles. Choose concentrated extracts, zests, or purees to flavor shells and fillings without changing batter texture. For fruit flavors, reduce moisture by using freeze-dried powders or concentrated purees to avoid collapsing shells. For chocolate or nut profiles, fold in cocoa powder or finely ground nuts into part of the dry mix for depth. Match filling sweetness so it complements rather than overwhelms the shells, aiming for harmony in every bite. Gel color delivers vivid shells without altering batter consistency, so add a small amount and mix gently for even hue. Finely ground nuts or cocoa should be folded into only a portion of the dry mix when experimenting with texture, avoiding overmixing. Let piped shells rest until a dry skin forms on top to prevent cracking and encourage proper feet development. Small adjustments in technique create major improvements in final texture and appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.